Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix input delay in CS2. First things first, search for keyboard settings in your start menu search. In the keyboard settings window, adjust the repeat delay to the shortest falling rate available and set the repeat rate to the slowest option. These adjustments can help reduce input delay. Be sure to apply your changes before closing the window. After that, open the Device Manager. You can access it through the Control panel or by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the keyboards, mice, and other pointing devices or similar section based on your connected devices. Right-click then each connected device and select Update Driver. After that, choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software to ensure that your keyboard, mouse, and other devices are running the latest drivers. After following the steps, you can close the Device Manager and rest assured that you can fix input delay in CS2. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix input delay in CS2. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.